Step into the 2014 BMW Z4. This two-door, two-passenger convertible offers the latest in technological innovation and style. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, a power convertible roof, rain-sensing wipers, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.